Hey guys, I'm Coetzee, and today I have invited Prudence from the Kitchen Wrap company to come and help me wrap some cupboards. I love the functionality of these cupboards. I found them. I think they are recycled jewelry cupboards, but they will be perfect for my new shop fit. And I just need to breathe a bit new life into it. And I've worked with Prudence before. I know she always does an excellent job. So of course she was the perfect lady to phone for this job. Hello Prudence, how are you?
I'm okay, good. How are you?
Awesome, welcome to my studio.
Thank you so much. Hi everyone, my name is Prudence Mavaso and I own the Kitchen Wrap company. We breathe life into old spaces. Basically, we revamp old cupboards, walls, tables. We use architectural film to change the color of any surface. So our material comes in different textures and colors. We have wood look, we have marble, glitter, disco, gloss, matte, you name it.
So this is the studio I was telling you about.
Okay.
This is basically my pride and joy. This is my Bryanston showroom, the Bryanston shop. I have these beautiful cupboards. I love the functionality of them, but
Yeah.
I just don't like the color. So I don't know what to do. My brand colors are kind of like gold with black. I like lots of neutrals. I think for me, the shop part, I've put a maroon carpet down and I'm going to put maroon drapes.
Okay.
I want the clothes in the space to really pop. So that's why I kind of want to go for a neutral thing. But also I'm quite keen going for a maroon to match the carpet. I don't know, what's your suggestion?
No, you cannot do a maroon. I think they'll just blend in
Is
and your cupboards will disappear. So I think you need a pop of something, a pop of color or glitter or something shiny. Yeah.
But there's too many options to choose from here. You must help me. What is your expert opinion? What do you suggest?
So since you like glittery gold things, I would suggest that you go for a gold, but with a solid color. You don't just go gold. Just pick a solid color to break it. I'm just going to show you options of gold. Let's look through the book. Okay, these are metallic finishes. They look subtle.
It's very pretty.
Nice, maybe not the pop that you want.
Yeah, I think it's a bit too solid for me. If it's something that's like a bit more like an old gold, like a mottled, or you say something about glitter, like I'm never going to say no to glitter.
Actually, I have a sample of glitter that I brought with me. So, will this be too much?
I do think it's going to be maybe too much, especially with the chandelier. Maybe something like subtler gold, but I do like the gold.
Okay. All right. So I have this cracked gold.
That's much better. I love this. I think it's antique, it's mottled, it's understated, but still rich.
Yeah, and I like the black specks on there.
So we're like going to pick it up with a bit of a black thing.
Yes. So I have 3 options of black. I have disco, which I think won't work. This is already
it's like two different worlds.
Yeah, it's 2 different worlds. This not with this. And then there's a marble, but the textures look almost the same. So it looks too busy.
I also think it's a bit busy, especially from far.
Exactly. So I think this then would work. This is a painted wood effect film.
I quite like it.
It's a matte black, a super matte black, but it has a wood grain finish as well. So it gives it nice character.
Yeah, it gives it a bit more like a real, like a woody, like a warmness to it.
Yes.
I love this. The cupboards are in very bad shape. So I don't know when Prudence gets here if she's going to even be able to wrap them. There's lots of kind of like fixing to do. There's some boards that need replacing. I'm very happy about the colors that I chose. Now it's just to come and kind of see the whole thing come to life.
I've just arrived at her studio and there's a lot of work to be done. A lot of sanding to be done. The cupboards are damaged. It looks like the prep work on its own is going to take hours. So I don't know what we're going to do. I know that I said we're going to take a day, but I think we're gonna take a little bit more than that. We won't finish in a day.
Good morning.
Morning.
Wow. We're making progress.
You like?
I love it. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you. Good. I think I can see the vision. I mean, it is going to be stunning. How has it been? Was there lots of things to fix?
There were lots of things to fix. Actually, we're a bit behind with time, so we're still gonna try and finish today, but I'm not promising.
And can I tell you, I love it. But I'm just wondering, I love the black so much more than so much gold.
Okay.
Is it at all possible to wrap the sides of the big boxes in black and keep the front gold?
You placed an order, Gert, you paid, and we've already bought the material. We've cut it. So I don't know. I think we still have a bit of the black remaining, and I'll see what we can do.
Wow.
So what do you think?
It is incredible. It came out better than I thought. You are a genius.
It did, eh?
Thank you so much. I
Thank you.
love the
Thank
contrast.
you.
The contrast of the gold with the black is so beautiful. The maroon carpet with the draping and the chandeliers. No.
It looks amazing.
It looks expensive, it looks classy, it looks everything that I'm about.
This project was really interesting. Thank you for the opportunity and thank you for the business.
Now for the bill.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, please hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Your support really helps us continue creating amazing videos for you. If you have any questions or want to get in touch, feel free to reach out at hello@thekitchenwrapco.co.za. Don't forget to follow us on our socials. We are on TikTok, Instagram and Facebook. All links are available on the video description below.